In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get started with Ollama. Firstly, visit Ollama's official website and download the software from your platform. Ollama provides a command line interface that lets you load, configure, and run large language models directly on your machine. After installation, open your terminal command prompt and pull a model from Ollama's model library by running Ollama pull, then model name. This downloads the specified model to your local system. To start interacting with the model, run Ollama run. Now, using CLI, you can chat and query the model directly in the command line interface after running it. Find full CLI commands and options at the Ollama CLI reference website. If you prefer not to use CLI, Ollama supports a REST API for easy web app integration. Just run Ollama serve to start the server and access the API endpoints. So Ollama lets you customize models and tweak parameters for specific needs or use cases. This is useful for developers who want to optimize models for specialized tasks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.